Hello students, next point is solutions of linear system. Example, given a into x equal to b is a linear system, the matrix A is a matrix of coefficients and matrix B is a matrix of constants. Let augmented matrix AB first here 1 0 minus 5 0 1 1 0 0 0 is the coefficient matrix and 1 4 0 is the constant matrix. From 1 it is clear that there are two pivot elements in column 1 and 2. First pivot element and second pivot elements occurs at first column and second column. There are three variables in the system x1, x2, x3 means system is x1 minus 5x3 equal to 1. There are three variables in the system a augmented b equal to 1 0 minus 5 0 1 1 0 0 0 dash 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 constant matrix 1 4 0. So we write associated system as follows. This is the row echelon form of a augmented b. So new system is x1 minus 5x3 equal to 1. Second equation x2 plus x3 equal to 4. Give as equation number 2. The variables corresponding to pivot columns are x1 and x2. They are known as basic variables or leading variables. The remaining variable x3 is called non-basic or a free variables. Means occurrence of pivot elements in the column. First column means coefficient of x1, second column means coefficient of x2 and third column means coefficient of x3. Pivot elements occurs at first and second column, so x1 and x2 are the basic variables and pivot element does not occurs at third column, so x3 is called non-basic or a free variables. Free variables means that one is free to choose any value of x3. Once x3 value is choose, the equation in 2 determine values of x1 and x2. Next example, find the general solution of a linear system whose reduced row echelon form of the augmented matrix is given below. Means given matrix is 1 6 0 3 0 0 0 0 1 minus 4 0 5 0 0 0 0 1 7. Last column is nothing but the constant matrix. This is the row echelon form of the A augmented B. So new system is first column is the coefficient of x1, second column coefficient of x2, similarly for x3, x4, x5. So first equation is x1 plus 6x2 plus 3x4 equal to 0. Second equation is x3 minus 4x4 equal to 5. Third equation is x5 equal to 7. Now free variables are x2 and x4 because pivot element does not occurs at the column of the coefficient x2 and x4. Pivot elements are 1 1 1. This is the coefficient of x1, this is the coefficient of x3 and these are the coefficient of x5. Means x2 and x4 are the free variables. Means put x2 equal to s, x4 equal to t. Therefore the system I, x2 is s, x4 is t. So we can calculate value of x3. x3 equal to 5 plus 4x4. 5 plus 4, x4 is t, means x3 is 5 plus 4 t. Next x1 plus 6x2 plus 3x4 equal to 0 by this equation, which implies x1 equal to minus 6x2 minus 3x4 equal to minus 6x2 is S minus 3x4 is T. We get x1 equal to minus 6s minus 3t. Therefore, the solution set is expressed in terms of the parameters as follows: x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 equal to x1 is minus 6s minus 3t, x2 is s, x3 is 5 plus 4t, x4 is t, and x5 is 7. Therefore, this is the solution set of the given system. Next example. Find the general solution of the systems whose augmented matrices are given below. First matrix is 1 minus 3 minus 5 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 1. Dash dash means this column matrix is nothing but the constant matrix. So A is 1 minus 3 minus 5 0 1 minus 1 augmented B matrix dash dash 0 minus 1. So pivot elements occurs at first and second column. Pivot element does not occur as third column. So free variable is nothing but the x3. Here x3 is a free variable. So put x3 equal to s and write a system. From this matrix we get x1 minus 3x2 minus 5x3 equal to 0. Next equation, x2 minus x3 equal to minus 1. We have x3 equal to s, therefore x2 equal to minus 1 plus x3 equal to minus 1 plus s. We get x2 equal to minus 1 plus s. Now to find value of x1, we use this equation, x1 equal to 3x2 plus 5x3, which is equal to 3 minus 1 plus s plus 5, s x3 is s, x2 is minus 1 plus s, equal to minus 3 plus 3s plus 5s equal to minus 3 plus 8s. So x1 equal to minus 3 plus 8s. We get x1 equal to minus 3 plus 8s, x2 equal to minus 1 plus s, and x3 equal to s. Therefore solution set is x1, x2, x3 equal to x1 is minus 3 plus 8s, x2 is minus 1 plus s, and x3 is s. Next example B. 3 minus 4 2 minus 9 12 minus 6 minus 6 8 minus 4 is the coefficient matrix, and 0 0 0 is the column matrix of constants. So B is given matrix 3 minus 4 2 minus 9 12 minus 6 minus 6 8 minus 4. Add B matrix means constant matrix 0 0 0. Dash dash means A augmented B. A is the constant matrix and A is the coefficient matrix and B is the column column of constant matrix. Now apply row operation to reduced in row echelon form. First, non-zero entry is 3. So to obtain -9 -6 0, we use row operations. This multiply this plus 9 multiply this. But when we reduced these numbers into 1 or into 3, suppose R2 upon 3, R3 upon 2, we get 3 minus 4 2 0. Next R2 upon 3 means minus 3 4 minus 2 0. R3 upon 2 means minus 3 4 minus 4 upon 2 minus 2 0 upon 2 0. Now it is easy to solve this matrix by using the row operations R2 plus R1, R3 plus R1. We get first row as it is, second row and third row becomes 0. Minus 3 plus 3 0, 4 minus 4 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 plus 0 0. Similarly for third row. Here pivot element occurs at first column. So x1 is basic variable. Pivot element does not occur at second and third column. So x2 and x3 are the free variables. So x2 and x3 are free variables. Put x2 equal to s, x3 equal to t. From this we get equation 3x1 minus 4x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0. 3x1 equal to 4x2 minus 2x3 equal to 4. x2 is s minus 2, x3 is t. 3x1. So x1 equal to 4s minus 2t upon 3. So solution set is nothing but d. Therefore solution set is x1, x2, x3 equal to x1 is 4s minus 2t upon 3, x2 is s, x3 is t. Next example, determine existence and uniqueness of the solution to the system given by the augmented matrix D. The matrix is A augmented B, where A is the coefficient matrix and B is the column matrix of the constant. Here from matrix D, basic variables are x1, x2 and x5. Basic variables are x1, x2, x5 and free variables are x3 and x4 because pivot element does not occur in the column x3 and x4. There is no equation such as 0 equal to A. There is no equation such as 0 equal to A, a non-zero quantity, 0 equal to A means in the coefficient this row is whole 0 and this entry is non-zero, but here 0 equal to A does not occur, which implies the solution exists and the system is consistent. The solution exists and the system is consistent. Here 1 equal to 0 means 1 is coefficient of x5 equal to 0. If suppose here 0 and here 1, it means 0 equal to 1, which is not possible. Here 1 and 0 means x5 equal to 0, which is possible. So given system is consistent. Also, the solution is not unique. The solution is not unique because there are free variables. Each different choice of x3 and x4. Each different choice of x3 and x4 determines a different solution. Thus the system has infinitely many solutions. Thus the system has infinitely many solutions. Next, next example, determine existence and uniqueness of the solution to this system given by the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 4. Second equation x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 3. Next equation 2x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 equal to 6. First write coefficient matrix. A is 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 2, 2 3 minus 1. Next B is column matrix of constant 4 3 6, and X is column matrix of variables or unknowns x1 x2 x3. First consider augmented matrix. Consider augmented matrix A augmented B, which is equal to 1 1, 1 minus 1 2, 2 3 minus 1. Next add column matrix of constant 4 3 6. Apply row operations R2 minus R1, R3 minus 2 R1 to obtain 1 2 equal to 0. So we get first row as it is. Second row becomes by these row operations 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 4 minus 1. And third row becomes by these row operations R2 minus 2 into 1 0, 3 minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 6 minus 8 equal to minus 2. Now apply row operation 2R3 plus R2 to obtain 1 equal to 0, because in second row first non-zero entry is minus 2, and now reduced this entry into 0. Therefore matrix becomes first and second row as it is. Third row becomes 0 0 minus 5 minus 5. Here pivot elements occurs in each column, means there is no free variables. So we have by this system we again write here, the augmented matrix we again write here. So write this system x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 4, minus 2x2 plus x3 equal to minus 1, and minus 5 x3 equal to minus 5 we get x3 equal to minus 5 upon minus 5 equal to 1. So x3 equal to 1. Next, find value of x2. We have equation minus 2x2 plus x3 equal to minus 1. Minus 2x2 equal to minus 1 plus, minus x3 equal to minus 1. x3 is 1. So minus 2 x2. So x2 equal to minus 2 upon minus 2 equal to 1. We get x2 equal to 1. To find value of x1, we use the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 4. We have x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 4. So x1 equal to 4 minus x2 minus x3 equal to 4, minus x2 is 1 minus x3 is 1. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Therefore we get x1 equal to 2. Here no free variables and the echelon form does not contain equation of the form 0 equal to b. Here no free variables and the echelon form does not contain equation of the form 0 equal to b. So solution is unique, which is x1, x2, x3 equal to x1 is 2, x2 is 1, x3 is 1. We stop here.